like to take a moment to introduce you to RattleCan and its owner, Marty Rolls.
Hey, how you doing?
So, Marty, tell us about your Jeep.
94 YJ, 4-liter straight six. Reasonably worn out AX15 transmission.
Cool. What mods have you done to it?
Well, it's got a 2.5-inch SkyJacker leaf spring lift, so it rides like a buckboard, an ill-mannered one at that. Running 35s.
I was just about to ask, what are we running on there?
Yeah, got 35s on the ground, and so far stock axles and haven't destroyed them yet.
Looks like some American racing wheels.
Yes, sir. And open differentials, 3.07 to 1 ratio on the axles. So a lot of room for improvement there. So yeah, she's an old girl, 160,000 miles, but doggone, she don't run, she's not burning any oil, doesn't leak too bad.
That's impressive.
And I don't know, I'm pretty astounded by what this thing will do, even with open diffs. We have a good time with it.
Yeah, we do. Now, you were telling me about some of the things you did on the front end. What'd you do up front?
Well, when I got it, though, all the front end was, all the tie rod ends and everything were just wore out. And so we got that all replaced. Got disconnects on the sway bars, or sway bar. Let's see, got some 6-degree shims under the front axle and improved the caster some on the steering, so it drives a little better because of that.
Very nice, very nice. And what is this here? Looks like a dual stabilizer.
Yeah, that was Christmas present. There's a SkyJacker, I think a 7000 series dual steering stabilizer, and that seems to have helped.
Nice. We'll go ahead and put the link in the description below for that.
Yeah, I also got the extended, put the extended brake lines on there because I've had the old ones banjo tied a couple of times.
Very nice.
So, but nah, she just.
Looks like you have a dent in the back here. What happened there?
I don't know. It's been wrecked. It's not straight. The previous owner sprayed the entire exterior with rhino liner, red rhino liner. So
You said he sprayed the entire exterior with rhino liner?
Yep.
You like that? I bet it's scratch resistant.
So far.
No trail tattoos for you.
So far.
All right.
We'll see how long.
So tell me about these doors.
Those are 1/2-inch Baltic birch plywood.
So you crafted these yourself?
Yep. Made them myself. This is the door latch hardware out of Bestop's fabric doors that was on it when I bought the Jeep. And so I managed to use that hardware. And then I made these brackets out of aluminum to mount my mirrors on.
Very nice.
I'm pretty pleased with that. They've turned out to work quite well, actually. I'm pretty proud of it.
So it's watertight?
Oh no.
No?
No.
So like any Jeep.
So it's not breeze tight either.
So why is she called RattleCan?
Well, it's a, what would they call that, a double entendre? It works two different ways. RattleCan because it's got a lot of RattleCan spray paint on it, and RattleCan because it's kind of a rattling can. It's
nice.
Almost rattle trap, but
well, it looks like she's held up pretty well.
I'm surprised I haven't torn it up yet. Honestly, with some of the stuff we've climbed, I'm honestly surprised I haven't tore something up. So I'm overdue, probably.
She's a good Jeep.
I like it.
All right.
Enjoy it. Have a lot of fun with it.
Anything else you want to tell us before we let you go?
No, I think I'm good.
All right.
Thanks for watching.
We'll get back out on those trails, guys. All right. We'll see you out there.